common sense with Market Cipher because I feel like Market Cipher is just, what I mean, it's a common sense script. Once you understand trading is all about direction, up and down. You now have to apply just common sense. When I say common sense, I'm not trying to sound like being insultive here. It's like let's apply the brains. Let's use our brains here to understand how market cipher. Because the beauty of a market cipher is it's just simple to understand because of the visual algorithms. You understand, like your money flow, your momentum, your VWAP. Let's deal with one common sense that I think Market Cipher offers. Like I said, there are so many strategies that you can use Market Cipher for. I basically I trade differently under different circumstances with Market Cipher, and it's like let me just highlight the common patterns, like what everybody needs to know is the simple stuff. You don't have to know a lot of stuff. You just have to know the simple stuff. So I just wanted to emphasize on common technical, let me just say common technical stuffs using Market Cipher, and these are just basic stuff for me. So you know what? I am on the 4 hour time frame, right? So we already know that 4 hour time frame is a higher time frame. So let's say I want to probably do some basic technical analysis using Market Cipher script. I want to know whether we are bullish or we are bearish. Let me take a critical look on my money flow and see the direction. So you can realize that on the 4 hour time frame from this side, all right, from this side, money entered the positive territories. So we had liquid here. So we are on the 4 hour time frame. So much liquid, 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 so much liquid. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Follow me. So much liquid, so much liquid, so much liquid. All right, cool. And liquid started exiting out here. All right, so let's start from the day because I'm using a 4 hour time frame, so I can literally see the day. So you could realize that this cursor that I'm moving moves 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. So you could see every candle is a representation of a 4 hour time frame. So let's look at it. Let me draw my vertical line here. You see my vertical line here is on the 22nd of March 2022 around 4 a.m. right? So let me drag my cursor from this side. Let's go from 22nd March. Let's go to, let's say, 5th of April. So like from 22nd March to 5th of April, I had my money or my liquid in the positive territories, meaning we've been bullish. We have a lot of liquidity for almost from 22nd March 2022 to 5th of April. That's a long time. Not really long, but like 13 days, right? Or 14 days, if I'm not wrong. So it's like liquid was in the asset for that extended period of time. That extended period of time. And you know one thing about liquidity, it attracts traders. You understand? So liquid is one. So it's like if you were shorting in these times, you could realize that it wouldn't favor you because we have so much liquid in the assets. So let's see the direction of momentum as well. The momentum was also in the positive territories, came down, went, crossed the overbought territories, came down again, came down, crossed the overbought territories, came. So like then it entered the negative territories. So you can realize that momentum really couldn't last for long. So momentum left, let's say, went into the negative territories on the 31st of March, right? So 9 days momentum was in the positives. So we had 9 days of momentum in the positives, and we had almost like 14 days of liquid in the positives. So if I was trading, my probable decision outcomes or decisions would be more or less like I'll be long it because I have massive or enough oscillators in the positives and I have little in the negatives. So it's like from 22nd of March 22 up to this 31st of March, you couldn't short for long, right? It's like it's not like you can't short it for you can, but it depends on how well you understand what you're doing. You realize that there was so much bullishness here that you could probably hold a long from this side to that side. But how do you know? But this is just a basic TA because Market Cipher gives you direction. So it's like this is just common sense. When I say common sense, so let's see how price reacted here. We was here, went up, went up, went up. So when momentum started coming down from the side, you could realize that it was coming down as well, right? Price was, but we still had liquid in, but you could realize liquid was exiting a little. Then when we pivoted, sorry, when we reached this point, liquid started leaving the asset and price started falling. Then we saw a manipulation sign. In other words, we are falling, falling, we are falling. So this time money was in the red and momentum was also in the red, and we were like falling heavily, heavily, heavily. So it's like, how do I explain Market Cipher to you? Just apply basic common sense. And this is not like I'm trying to insult anybody, but I just the application of just your mind in the area of understanding direction. You understand? So I don't know how to explain Market Cipher, but I don't want to sound like I'm trying to sell something to you guys. Obviously, we're all trying to sell something, but I will only front something that works. That's me. And so, like, if it works and it's that simple, I just go, like, I just extract all the crystal centricities. Like, I go in for the very best of it. Like, I put my very all in it because it works and it makes trading very simplified. I just don't know any other script out there that can beat this one. This is the very all-time best trading script out there without a doubt. And like I said, I have so many stuff to tell you guys. It's all in the pipeline. All I need is time. I need time to also bring the very best out of me in terms of teaching you guys how to trade with Market Cipher. But I have time for you guys. Trust me, I have time. I can see my subscribers are building up. Just share, comment, like. Let me know what you think. Just promote my channel, baby. You just people just promote my channel for me. You understand? Let's bring Market Cipher to the world and let people see how Market Cipher works. This is a global thing. Let's rally the troops. Let's and then I'm down to people, like I'm really down to help. I'm really down to give my very all to anybody out there listening to me, and I'm glad to serve you guys. And I'm a very busy guy. When I say I'm busy, I have other stuff to do. So when I upload a video, I try to put my very all in it. So this is just a basic analysis, a basic technical analysis that helps. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.